This video shows you how to install and deploy the Yakima Rooftop 2-person HD tent on your Bronco hardtop SUV, making it your ultimate mobile base camp. To properly install this tent, your vehicle also needs the Yakima HD Crossbar Kit. You can get these and other Ford-approved accessories at accessories.ford.com. Check your packaging for these items before getting started. You'll also need a couple of other things for this installation. To start, unfasten the straps and unfold the tent. Then reach inside and move the mattress so you can access the pre-drilled holes on the underside of the tent. You'll need to choose either side or rear deployment before attaching the mounting clamps. For side deployment, puncture the black stickers. Then match this layout to mount your hardware. When you're done, all the knobs should face this way, and the locks should face this way. For rear deployment, puncture the red stickers instead. Then match this layout to mount your hardware. When you're done, all the knobs should face this way, and all the locks should face this way. Use the 5mm hex wrench to loosen the slider bolts. Then slide 2 square nuts into the slot on each track. Reach inside and feed 2 bolts through the corresponding pre-drilled holes. Align these bolts with the square nuts on each track and use the same wrench to tighten them down completely. Now, flip the tent over. Remove the stickers from the 4 pre-drilled holes near the edge and align the ladder brackets with them. Thread a washer on each long bolt and insert them up through the floor and bracket. Hand thread a lock nut on each bolt. Then use the 8 and 13mm wrenches to tighten the bolts. Secure the ladder using the same 2 wrenches, along with the short bolts, washers, plastic bushings, and lock nuts. Slide the edge of the cover into the round channel. Be sure not to over-tighten the side straps on the tent. Then, fit the cover in place, securing the zippers, Velcro closures, and buckles. Next, measure the distance between your crossbars. Then tilt the tent on its side and open all the clamps completely. Match the clamps to your crossbar spread measurement, working from the fixed side of the clamps. Once they're positioned, partially tighten the slider bolts. Carefully lift the tent onto your crossbars. Seat each clamp correctly on its bar and tighten them down. Then fully tighten the slider bolts. Finally, lock the clamps. Test your installation and retighten if necessary. Now you're ready to drive to your campsite. When you get there, park on level ground and apply your parking brake. Undo the zippers, Velcro closures, and buckles. Roll the cover up and secure it with the attached ties. Release the tent and ladder straps. Grab the bottom rung and pull to fully extend the ladder. Push down on the ladder while walking backward, keeping it extended and almost vertical. Adjust the ladder rungs if needed until the tent platform is level. Start with the upper rung and listen for a click as rungs lock in place. Your tent should come with the rainfly installed. To place the support rods, reach through the window and put the straight end in this hole under the end flap. Then hook the curved end into the grommet hole. The rainfly is also removable. When it's time to pack up, remove the rainfly rods, make sure your tent is empty, then use the ladder to fold it up. Fully retract the ladder. Secure all of the straps. Then unroll and replace the cover, securing the zippers, Velcro closures, and buckles. The untamed world is calling. Get out there in your accessorized Ford Bronco.